I don't know if he's making a video or not. He has a tendency to do that.
I'm just waiting for my camera to be ready.
Right.
He's got to prep the flash.
Right? It's a remix!
And we'll talk about the birthday boy getting his birthday pie.
It's my birthday and I'm at Waffle House. This is my birthday hat. Isn't it cool?
And when you load the people up here, you come up here and they give you birthday hats.
Birthday pie, chocolate. You can't see it because it's...
Yeah, we asked for other birthday pie, but she wouldn't give it up.
Don't know why. Woo! So touching.
I'd asked where the birthday hug was, but I don't know if she could reach over the counter.
Oh, she gave me one already. Huh? He asked where the birthday hug was, and I said you already gave me one. I didn't get
Is that a medium?
Yeah, get it close.
Get it close?
Just get it close.